Hello, Oklahoma, and welcome back to the channel. Today is March 4th, 2026, and we will be going over the current weather, the SPC outlooks, and a couple of other things. So, let's hop right into it. Currently, we have 3 active special weather statements in Oklahoma. First would be a storm in Sallisaw. Another one would be one south of McAllister, and the third and last one would be one south of Atoka. Those are currently under severe limits, but they are also being watched. So that's something to note, but not to be too concerned about. For Wednesday actually, today, we had a slight risk extending from southern Indiana to northern Texas. The main threats were wind and hail. For tomorrow, Thursday, we have another slight risk in western Oklahoma. This will consist of a better chance of wind, hail, and tornadoes. For Friday, we have an enhanced risk across Oklahoma. This will consist of wind, hail, and some tornadoes. The SPC states that the most probable corridor for tornadoes, damaging winds, and large hail is across eastern portions of Kansas, Oklahoma, and western Missouri. Like yesterday's forecast, timing is expected to be late Friday afternoon through Friday night. More on this later, though. Saturday through Monday looks to be quiet, but as we go into Tuesday, the severe chances start to kick back up, ramp back up, however you would like to say that. But since this is relatively far out, we don't know much on this. The HRRR shows the current storms in Oklahoma training over the same areas, so there could be some flooding tonight as we go through the night, and also some other little storms out here near Oklahoma City. One of the many storm chasers in Oklahoma currently are heading out west to go track tornadoes tomorrow in the Panhandle and western Oklahoma. So that is this storm chaser. And this is what it could look like tomorrow as we go through the day. Storms will pop up out here in the Texas Panhandle and track northeast over time, and eventually become a line that starts heading into southeast Kansas. So that'll be something interesting to watch. You can see the little supercells pop up out here at around 3 p.m. Central Time, form into a line around 9 p.m. and track to the northeast. Well, now it shows to the east-northeast, but it was showing to the northeast. I don't believe that this line will be too strong, although there's always parts of a line of storms that are strong, so just be weather aware tomorrow morning. Actually, that's Friday morning. My apologies. And as we go through Friday, you can see little storms start to pop up around noon along a cold front and a dry line. Either or. So that'll be something that we will be watching tomorrow. Friday. That's something that we will be watching Friday. And after that, these models do get a little bit finicky, so the rest we'll cover in the next video. The supercell composite is also showing something different now than it was yesterday. It does show a better risk for tornadoes in the Panhandle than it was yesterday. 10 supercells 10 to 11 supercells per, we're going to say mile or 20 within 25 miles. So that's something to watch for tomorrow. Also, on Friday, it does show only one line right here with 8 supercells per, or in this line, compared to yesterday when it had 2 lines. Another one to the northeast, like right here. There was another blue line after this one. So that's nice to know, if I remember correctly. And the Cape has stayed about the same as we talked about yesterday. 1,600 joules roughly. Although out here in western Oklahoma it might be slightly higher. So that's something to know as well. Right here you can see 1,500 joules per kilogram. So about the same as yesterday. Although I'm sure that'll update as we get closer. And that's about all the weather talk that I have for today. Currently. I will try and make another video tomorrow. And we'll see how it plays out from there. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And make sure to go check out my website. It has more information on there than it did yesterday. And I will be updating that frequently over the next few days than I normally do. Or more than I do normally. So make sure to go check that out if you haven't already. That will be in the link. That link will be in the description. And I will see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching. Stay weather aware.